Hello, welcome to VIAVI Solutions quick video on how to use the remote support feature in the new CellAdvisor 5G. This is Dan Smeja, Solutions Architect with VIAVI Solutions. In order to request remote support or to use this feature, your CellAdvisor 5G must be connected to an IP network. So to do that, you power on the unit, you go into the system screen, select the network icon, and from here, you can connect it via a LAN cable, either via DHCP or a static IP address, or you can go into Wi-Fi, enable the wireless adapter, and attach to a hotspot via a phone or any access point. Once this is launched, you press the system icon upper left corner, and then you press the remote VNC screen. From here, it's very simple. We just enable VNC access, and then we use our Smart Access Anywhere connection. Once the access code is displayed on the screen, if you're working with VIAVI Solutions support, give them this code and they will be able to access your machine from anywhere in the world. The next step we're going to talk about is how to install the Smart Access Anywhere application on your computer. In order to download the software, open up any web browser and in the title bar, type updatemyunit.net. Enter that and it will take you to our landing page of all of our firmware upgrade and software applications for our handheld products. Once in updatemyunit.net, scroll down till you see application software, highlight that, and you'll see on the top of the screen a link to our Smart Access Anywhere software. Go ahead, select this link, scroll down to where it says download, and download the Windows PC version of this. There's also a version available for Android and iOS devices. Once the software has downloaded and installed, launch the application. The following screen will appear. From here, we simply enter the access code that is displayed on the CellAdvisor 5G and press the Connect button. The system will query the CellAdvisor 5G and report back its serial number and version installed. Once the session is validated, the system will display the following screen. From here, you as the person doing the remote control have the choice of a remote screen or remote file transfer. We're going to do remote screen. Press the remote screen button, and you now have full control and view of the remote CellAdvisor 5G. I'm going to click on CellAdvisor 5G, and you can see I have a signal running here. If you choose to do a file transfer on the left side of your screen, file transfer allows you to see everything on your local machine on the left and the file structure of the CellAdvisor on the right. So in here we can enter CellAdvisor 5G, we can enter our internal drive, and I can then pull any data I may have saved, such as a CSV file. Highlight it, hit the download button. That CSV file is now right here on my desktop of my computer. I can go back to the remote control screen where I have full control of this unit to be able to change modes and run through the entire system.
Find out more at Vicom's website.